Greetings, family. It's time for us to jump into some African math additions. Now, when you typically see ancient Egyptian mathematics online, it's typically always multiplication. But what we're going to do is we're going to start diving into how ancient Egyptians did addition leading up to multiplication, and they often use tally sticks. So here we have the number 5, and we're going to count on. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, here's an important unit of measurement. It's called the palm. The palm exists of 4 fingers. Now, my brothers and sisters in Britain made the palm legally 3 digits, but actually the palm is 4 digits. So we're going to go back to the ancient Egyptian method, and we're going to have the palm be represented by 4 fingers, just like on your hand. And speaking of hand, we're going to bring down this additional digit, adding to the palm, making it officially a hand. So the hand is 5 digits and the palm is 4. Now, why this is important is because you can see that group of 4, and that'll come in handy later as we build our 9. As you see, we have, we're going to build a 9. We've already got our 5. Now we're going to build our 1, 2, 3, 4. We have our palm. And now we're going to come down here and we're going to make another palm. We have our hand at 5, 6, 7, and 8, which is 2 palms. Now we're going to bring another finger up here, making that a palm and a hand, making our total 9. Now, when you see all the tally sticks together, one might ask, well, how can we add all of these tally sticks now? And if an early learner decides to count by units and says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, that is fine. That's one-to-one correspondence, which is what we want to encourage when we have early learners first counting, which is the benefit of tally sticks because it promotes and encourages numeracy. But as they become more efficient, there's benefits into being able to recognize the groups. The first group that's most commonly recognized is the find 5. So what we want to do is we want to find 5. So how can we find 5? Let me give you all a little time to look for the way you would find 5. And if you said the way you would find 5 is, here's a hand, which is 5, and here's another hand, which is 5. Those 2 hands automatically make a 10. And then you can see your 4 remaining tally sticks here. Those are your 4 remaining tally sticks. And you can see that your 10 plus 4 is 14. Now, most people did not know that ancient Egyptians were multinumeral. What do I mean by multinumeral? Well, they had different number systems that they often used, and we continue to use that system here in the United States of America. That's why the tally stick system is very important because let's say I want to add 5 plus 9, but instead of me doing it where I need to say add 5 pennies plus 9 pennies, which can equal 1 dime and 4 pennies. Let's say instead I want to know how many feet are in 5 plus 9. So that means now I need to group at 12 instead of 10. Well, here's where the tally stick and the palm and the hand system comes in handy. So you see here we have a palm, and a palm. So that would be 3 palms and 2 digits. Well, the ancient Egyptians used a body ratio system where they realized, and you can try this at home, take the width of your palm and put it on a piece of paper 3 times, and you'll find out it's approximately the same length as your foot. The ancient Egyptians used a body-based measurement system that was relatable to the learner. So here you can see we have 3 palms, which is the same as 1 foot. So here in America, we would have 1 foot and 2 inches. That's how we would add 5 inches plus 9 inches equals 1 foot 2 inches. Now, let's say you wanted to do, instead of inches, we wanted to measure cups. Well, cups consist of 8 ounces. So here we would take 2 palms, which would be 1 cup, and we would have 1 palm, which is 4, counting on 5, 6, and that would be 6 ounces. It's just that simple. So this system is used to have learners be able to easily transition between different types of number systems. So I encourage you to use this tally mark system in your everyday mathematics today, and you should have fun doing math very easily without any problems, the same way ancient Egyptians did. Happy learning.